feel super confident wearing these sandals this season. These feature a synthetic upper with this really pretty strappy design that'll look so great with a flowy dress this summer. There's an open round toe construction, and this strap actually has a hook and loop closure, making them even easier for you to slip into. They offer a synthetic lining and a lightly cushioned footbed with good arch support, so these will feel pretty comfortable underneath your feet. The block heel will also make these pretty easy for you to walk in as well, and they have a chunky platform midsole. Underneath there's a synthetic outsole that is great because it's grippy for some traction. You can wear these to any outdoor activities where you need to spruce up your outfit.